Hi, Neil O'Brien here. In this short video, I'm going to take you through the Accountant's Profit Accelerator Mastermind. Now, there's six main planks in this. The first one is the peers model, which is all about benchmarking. Now, how this works is you'd be in a mastermind group with 10 to 12 other accountants. And what we do is we identify key metrics like average hourly rate, profit per partner. We pair off similar size practices and say, take, for example, an A and B. So if A is one of A's key metrics are 30% higher than B, then B will go and learn from A, find out what it does, go and implement it, and they'll see their figures improve. And everybody in the group is doing that. So like the boat here, the rising tide lifts all boats. All the accountants in the group are going to substantially boost their fees and profits. Now, the second area we work on is Pareto and the Pareto principle. What this involves is segmenting your clients into whales, very profitable ones, sardines are losing money, and what's in the middle. And I know from doing this numerous times that quite often 10 or 20% of your clients can be giving you 80, 90% of profits. So what happens is too much time is allocated to the smaller clients based on what they're paying you. So what we teach with the segment strategy is how to classify clients into whales, sardines, everything in between. And what this means is that when you're planning your time, less time goes into those sardines. It frees up time for you to spend on your whale, your bigger clients who want a higher level of service. They want those monthly review meetings and so on, and they're happy to pay for it. Now, the third blank is the profit transformer. And what this does is it looks at the gap that almost every accountant has between their fees and their WIP, or between their fees and what their fees could and should be. And what it does is we show a way that you can very easily give value to clients, which leads to those fee increases, which means, and we've seen accountants boost their fees and profits by 200,000-300,000 in a 3 or 4 month period. So it's really low hanging fruit for most accountants. Now, the next one is the value formula. And imagine a scenario where an accountant advises a client, they save 100,000 in profit and in tax, and the accountant charges 2 or 3,000. So like the balancing scale here, there's no real reflection of the value delivered by the accountant in charging a fee that small. So what we do with the value formula, we show a way that in that same scenario, again, once they implement the value formula, is that if they save a client 100,000, the fee note could be 15, 20, or 25,000. So a much better reflection of the value they deliver. Now, the next one is called a beach blueprint, which is all about we want to get our clients to the beach and have a better work-life balance. And one of the ways we do that is using the likes of Clarity and to produce really good quality reports on a monthly basis and have a review meeting with a client. And we've seen some people in the network hit 750 euros per hour by offering this advisory services compared to what they normally charge a partner or a manager. This could be 5 or 6 times higher. And the sixth area we work on is what we call the referrals process. We've two fabulous processes. One is with referral partners, could be the likes of solicitors or financial planners. The second one is with clients, and implementing both of those processes can give you a flow of really good, high quality new clients. Okay, thanks for listening.